Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around of the Triumph Bonneville T100. Beautiful looking bike. Nice bit of Triumph logo on the side there. Starting down here at the forks, so you can see the bike's in really good nick. No stone chips or anything. You can actually see the alloy, the chrome, everything on the bike is looking really well looked after, which is a good sign. These bikes generally tend to be well loved, which is always a positive thing. Front brake disc is looking good. I'll try and see if I can get you into the radiator here, but again, looking pretty decent. Couple of small stone chips on here, but when you stand back a wee bit, quite small, but just something to make you aware of. The rest of the bodywork looks really good. Seen the sign earlier. We've got the Triumph knee pads, your Bonneville there, no kind of scuffs or anything from the shoe marks, and then everything else looking really good. There's your exhaust there as well. You can see the rear spring, everything on the bike is just looking really smart. Plenty of life left in the chain and sprockets. Kind of hard to show you the sprocket in there, but it is there. And then again, the rear alloy and spokes looking really good. Let me just jump around this side as well. So same design on this side. It's got a nice large Triumph badge on the side. Triumph knee pads. I say knee pads, but the pads for your knees. Everything looking good on here. Again, a couple of very small stone chips, but nothing major on the bike at all. Really tidy. Well looked after bike. You've got your choke here should you ever need it. And what I'll do, I'll just get the bike started up for you so you can hear how she sounds. One other quick note, obviously you've got this screen here at the front. It is a Triumph one, which you can see just above that badge. And there is these aftermarket handlebars as well, which gives you a nice kind of more upright position on the bike. Very nice. Let me get the bike started for you and you can hear how she's. Let me get the bike started for you just now. There is an alarm on the bike as well, so I've just turned it off. You'll see down here the key. Now, in order to start the bike, you do need to pull the clutch in, so I'm just going to pop the phone down for a moment. Just while the bike's warming up, I'll just confirm everything's working as expected. So we'll just start with the indicators here. You get a rear indicator, your front left, and I'll just go to the right hand side. What I'll also do is I'll just show you the front brake here, and you can see the reflection in the wall. The brake lights on, you can see it lights up there as well, and then same with the rear. Jump back down this side. So we've got your standard running line there. You also get your full green as well. I'll just let you hear the horn. And I'll give it a few revs so you can hear how she sounds. There we have it. The Triumph Bonneville T100 here at Auto Assets. Any questions you've got, please let me know. Cheers.